let's make steak and potatoes. First, let's season it. So let's add some salt, some pepper, alrighty, and then let's add some oregano, and some paprika. Rub it all in. Make sure your steak is at room temperature. Now, we flip it to the other side. Salt it. Add some pepper. And some oregano. And some paprika. Rub it all in. Okay, now I will cook this. We'll also be making potatoes. Alright guys, so here are the potatoes. Make sure to put oil in your pot. Make sure to skin them. I skin them off camera so you guys won't get bored. But let's salt all these potatoes. We're gonna have nice steak and potatoes. There we go. Put some salt, pepper, and I skinned them. Just take a knife and just skin them. Take the skin off the potatoes. Okay, there you go. There's the potatoes. Okay, now let's get back to tasting. Make sure to keep them up on the stove until they brown. So as you can see, there's the steak. Make sure to cook this until it's about 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius. I'll be back when it's all nice and cooked. So once the steak starts to sizzle a bit, you're going to want to flip it, and then just keep flipping it until it reaches that 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure to turn the potatoes around until they brown. That's all. As you can see, it is now all nice and cut up. I will go cut it up and taste it. Now it is done. I will go try a bite. Delicious. Click subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video and like it.